Hi, welcome to SchoolTonic. In this video, we will learn about Marksheet Builder. This tool will help you to create Marksheet templates for your school. Say you want the preview of the Marksheet in this order. So for this, we need to click on Configuration. From there, mouse over Examination Master and then click on Marksheet template. In order to create a new Marksheet template, click on New. From here, choose the session name, the class name, the section name, the exam category, and the Marksheet template name. This would be a name given to a particular Marksheet and that would be followed during the whole session. Let's say the name would be Term Result. Okay, you would find a grid-like structure here where you can put the serial number, the Marksheet column, and formula expression. The serial number controls the sequence in which the columns would be arranged in the Marksheet. The Marksheet column becomes the title of the column in Marksheet, and the formula expression contains the references of different exam results and arithmetic operations among them. It also contains the other functions like generating the grade and the ranking of different students. By default, the print serial number would be 1. Okay, you can also change it. Okay, so let's choose 1. Put the exam heading, say first term. Okay, you would find an icon here. By clicking on it, you would be able to view the instructions that how these fields would be used. You will see here there are several suggestions or instructions given that if you press comma, it would show you a suggestion box. For defining the grades, we need to choose Apex grade, and for putting the rank, we need to choose Apex rank at subject level. Okay, so let's press comma to get the suggestions. The suggestions would be according to the exam names that we have put in. Let's choose first term. In order to create multiple Marksheet columns, we need to click on this plus icon. Okay, now put the next exam heading as second term. Okay, again press comma. It would show all the different exam names that we have created. Let's choose second term. You can see here that all the exam names along with the exam categories start with @ and end with a $sign. Now say we want to get the summation of first term and second term. So for that, let's click on the plus icon here, and this time we would put the exam heading as total, and let's say we want the summation of first term and second term to be filled up here. So for that, press comma. Okay, and put the plus sign here for getting the summation of first term and second term both, and again put comma for the suggestion. Okay, and now click on submit. So a new entry has been created. In order to make any changes, we need to click on the checkbox next to the term result and then click on open. And if you require any changes, do the same and then click on submit again. If you want to generate the grade according to the term results, then click on the plus sign here and put a name, say grade. Say you want to follow the grading system of first term, okay, or maybe the grading system of second term as well. This is the grading system of second term, okay. So for this we need to put the grade name. Say G1 was the grading system of first term and G2 of the second term. So let's put the grading, say G1, and G1 would be equal to the grades on the basis of the first term, and for that we need to click on this icon, choose this particular expression, okay, and in order to put another expression we need to put the expression inside brackets, and for that again press comma for suggestions, okay. So this first would be first term, and then put a plus sign, and then again press comma, choose the second term and close it with a bracket, okay. Since this particular expression is also carried by total, see, total has this expression for summation of first term and second term, and the grading system would be also carried on first term and second term. You can also choose total directly, okay. Let me show you how. Put the first bracket, then comma, okay, and choose total, and again put the bracket, okay. Because you can see here that total is the summation of first term and second term, and you want the grading system to be done on the basis of the summation of first term and second term, okay. So we need to click on submit again, and if you want to generate the ranking system of the individual students, then put a name, say rank, and to get the rank of the student against any particular subject, put the expression followed by fx rank at subject level. This you could find from the icon here, the suggestion or the instructions provided here. Choose fx rank at subject level. Alright, copy the expression here, and between the brackets again choose the expression on which the ranking system would be done. So press comma again, okay, and from here choose total, and then close it with a bracket. So the ranking system would be according to the summation of the first term and second term also, and then click on submit. In order to view the result template name, check the box next to the respective result template name and click on open. This grid would also allow you to create or put different exams names. Say you have different exams like half yearly or annual or maybe final term, then you would also be able to fill up those exam names here. However, we need to keep in mind that you cannot put more than 12 expressions here. The total limit of expressions is 12. And the fx grade and fx rank at subject level are predefined functions developed by SchoolTonic team to generate the grade and the rank respectively of scored marks by a student for a particular subject. Let's click on submit again. To see how Marksheet template works, we need to click on Reports. From there, click on Marksheet template. Choose the session name, the class name, section, and the template name. We have provided term result, and then click on Preview. There are 2 students in section A of class 1. Let's say we would be looking for the preview of the result of David Fernandez. Then choose this particular student and then click on Action. Okay, see, this is the report card or the mark sheet which have been generated for the student David Fernandez. We had provided an expression for operating or taking the summation for first term and second term, and this has provided us the result. So the total of first term and second term for English is 94, and he had scored 45 in the first term for mathematics and 47 in the second term. So the summation comes up 92. And the grade was also on the basis of the total of first term and second term. So here is the grading, and the rank was also on the basis of the total of first term and second term result. So this would be the mark sheet or the report card that would be generated for any particular student. Let's see the mark sheet of another student. Say Monty D'Souza. See, he had scored 41 in first term and 40 in second term for English, and his total comes up to 81, and the grade was according to the total of first term and second term and the ranking too. And for mathematics, he had scored 43 in the first term and 42 in second term, and the summation of both the terms is 85, and he has been selected as rank 2 according to the total of both the terms. So we have learned how to create the Marksheet templates for the school and generating the Marksheet according to the Marksheet templates. Thank you.